Hello everyone, my name is Anisha Putri Ramawati. My study number are 2341257 from class accounting 23A. Today I would like to discuss accounting in environmental conservation. This topic explains how accounting can contribute to environmental protection and sustainable development. As environmental issues such as pollution, climate change, deforestation, and resource depletion continue to increase, organizations are expected to play a more active role in protection the environment. Accounting has become an important tool for supporting these efforts by providing relevant information about environmental performance and environmental costs. Accounting in environmental conservation refers to the process of identifying, measuring, recording, analyzing, and reporting information related to environmental activities and their impact on an organization. It helps business understand how their operations affect the environment and encourage them to adopt more sustainable practices. Through accounting, companies can evaluate the costs and benefits of environmental conservation programs and make informed decisions that support both economy and environmental objectives. The role of accounting in environmental conservation has expanded significantly over the past few decades. Traditionally, accounting focused primarily on financial transaction and profitability. However, stakeholders now expect organizations to consider environmental and social impact as part of their business responsibilities. As a result, accounting systems have evolved to include environmental information that support sustainability initiatives and environmental management. One of the most important functions of accounting in environmental conservation is the identification of environmental costs. Environmental costs include expenditures related to pollution prevention, waste management, energy conservation, environmental monitoring, recycling activities, and environmental restoration projects. By identifying these costs, organizations can determine how much they spend on environmental protection and assess the effectiveness of their conservation efforts. Accounting also supports environmental conservation by providing information for decision making. Managers need reliable data to evaluate environmental risks and opportunities. For example, a company may analyze the cost of implementing renewable energy technologies compared to the long-term saving generated through reduced energy consumption. Environmental accounting provides the information necessary to make such strategic decisions. Another significant role of accounting in environmental conservation is improving resource efficiency. Organizations often use accounting information to monitor the consumption of materials, water, and energy. By analyzing resource usage, companies can identify inefficiency and implement conservation measures. This not only reduces environmental impact but also lowers operational costs and improves overall productivity. Environmental conservation accounting also contributes to regulatory compliance. Governments around the world have introduced environmental regulations that require organizations to monitor and report their environmental performance. Accounting system helps companies comply with these regulations by maintaining accurate records of environmental expenditures, emission, and waste generation and conservation activities. Compliance reduces the risk of legal penalties and strengthens the organization's reputation. Transparency and accountability are additional benefits of accounting in environmental conservation. Stakeholders such as investor, customer, employees, communities, and governance increasingly demand information about environmental performance. Accounting enables organizations to disclose environmental information through sustainability reports and integrated reports. This transparency demonstrates the organization's commitment to environmental responsibility and enhances stakeholder trust. Accounting in environmental conservation is closely linked to sustainability reporting. Sustainability reports provide information about an organization's economic, environmental, and social performance. Environmental accounting supplies much of the data used in these reports, including information on carbon emission, energy consumption, water use, waste management, and environmental investment. Such reporting allows stakeholders to evaluate the organization contributes to environment conservation. A key concept of environmental conservation accounting is environmental performance measurement. Organizations use performance indicators to assess the success of conservation initiative. Common indicators include reduction in greenhouse gas emission, energy saving, water conservation achievements, recycling rates, and decrease in waste generation. These indicators help organizations monitoring progress toward environmental goals and identify areas for improvement. Accounting also supports environmental conservation through investment evaluation. Many organizations invest in environmentally friendly technologies and sustainability business practices. Accounting techniques such as cost-benefit analysis and investment appraisal helps determine whether these investments are financially and environmentally beneficial. This encourages organizations to adopt innovation that support long-term sustainability. Despite its advantage, accounting in environmental conservation faces several challenges. Measuring environmental impact accurately can be difficult because some environmental effects are not easily expressed in monetary terms. Additionally, organizations may face challenges in collecting reliable environmental data and integrating environmental information into existing accounting systems. The absence of universally accepted environmental accounting standards can also create inconsistencies in reporting practices. Nevertheless, the importance of accounting in environmental conservation continues to grow. Businesses are increasingly recognizing that environmental responsibility is not only the ethical obligation but also strategic advantage. Organizations that effectively manage environmental issues and improve efficiency, reduce risks, strengthen their reputation, and create long-term value for stakeholders. In today's business environment, environmental conservation has become a key component of corporate sustainability strategies. Accounting provides the information needed to monitor environmental performance, evaluate conservation initiatives, and communicate environmental achievement to stakeholders. As environmental challenges become more complex, the role of accounting is in supporting environmental conservation will become even more critical. In conclusion, accounting in environmental conservation is an essential tool for managing environmental responsibilities and promoting sustainable development. It helps organizations identify environmental costs, improve resources efficiency, support decision making, ensure regulatory compliance, and enhance transparency. Through effective accounting practices, organizations can contribute to environmental protection while maintaining economic success and long-term sustainability. So, That is all I can say. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation provides a clear understanding of the role of accounting in environmental conservation. See you in the next video.